Flap discs for paint removal, your ultimate guide. Flap discs are versatile tools used in metalworking and woodworking for grinding, blending, and finishing surface. When it comes to removing paint, they're highly effective due to their unique design and abrasive properties. This guide will talk you through everything you need to know about using flap discs for paint removal. Why use flap discs for paint removal? Efficient flap discs remove paint quickly and efficient without clogging. Versatility, it can be used on various materials, including metal, wood, and fiberglass. Surface finishing, they provide a smooth finish, reducing the need for additional sanding. Durability, overlapping flap ensure a longer lifespan compared to other abrasive tools. Flap discs are a powerful tool for paint removal, offering efficiency, versatility, and a smooth finish. By selecting the right type, grit size, and using proper techniques, you can achieve excellent results on various surfaces. Always prioritize safety and proper maintenance to maximize the lifespan and performance of your flap discs.